What if I told you that Google's next big smartphone release is just days away? But there's a twist. You might not be able to get your hands on all the models right away. The Pixel 10 lineup is officially set to be revealed on August 20th, 2025, marking a huge moment for Google since this year also celebrates the Pixel's anniversary. We're expecting not just one or two, but for models, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the much-talked-about Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Each of these devices is expected to bring new camera improvements, smarter AI features, and upgraded chips. But the big question is whether the Pro versions, especially the foldable, will be worth your money. Based on how Google's handled launches in the past, the unveiling will be a high-energy live event with top executives and product experts showing off the phones, going over everything from photo quality to AI-powered tools. Pre-orders will go live on the same date for those who want to secure their unit early. And if you act fast, you could have a Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, or Pixel 10 Pro XL in your hands by August 28, 2025. But here's where it gets tricky. Not all of them might arrive on time. Leaks suggest that the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, along with the Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2a, could be delayed until October 9, 2025. That means if you've been eyeing Google's foldable, you may have to wait over a month longer than the standard models. It's not yet confirmed, but Google is known for having supply hiccups, so it wouldn't be surprising. Interestingly, this year's launch date is a little later than last year's Pixel 9 family, which was revealed on August 13, 2024, exactly 1 week earlier on the calendar. While that's a small delay, it does show that Google is possibly taking more time to refine the hardware and software before release. For buyers, the advice is clear: don't spend money on a new phone right now, especially if you're considering a Pixel. We're less than 2 weeks from the big reveal, and once that happens, you'll have all the details you need to decide if the new lineup is worth the upgrade. Prices for flagship phones in 2025 are higher than ever, so waiting just a little longer could save you from spending a lot on something that's about to be outdated. For those going after the standard Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro, pre-ordering on announcement day will give you the best shot at getting the device by the end of the month. As for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, patience will be key, and if Google's first foldable Pixel can compete with devices like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Oppo's Find N5, the wait could be worth it. In short, August 20th will set the stage for Google's vision of the future of smartphones, from upgraded camera tech and AI smarts to the challenge of breaking into the foldable market. Whether you're ready to upgrade right away or planning to wait for the delayed models, knowing the exact release timelines could be the difference between having your phone in hand in weeks or months. So, mark your calendars, keep an eye out for the official event, and be ready to make your move when pre-orders open. If you want to stay ahead of the updates and get the full scoop on every Pixel 10 model the moment it's announced, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our coverage.